Hello, this is the MskMiner channel. In this video, we will talk about the new auto-tune for the L7. On the screen, you can see a completed tune for the L7, achieving maximum energy efficiency at 10,800 gigahashes with a power consumption of 4,358 watts. It has been running for 6 hours and 42 minutes, and all chips are in the green zone. The new tune adjusts each chip individually, tweaking the domains to achieve maximum energy efficiency. The tune is available by hash rate and by power. For power, the options range from 2,000 watts to 4,500 watts. For hash rate, profiles start at 6,000 gigahashes, limited by the stock power supply up to 10,800. There are also profiles available for power supplies with increased capacity, starting from 11,000 and going up to 15,000 gigahashes. The tune now operates without restarts, and instant profiles are also available. They are applied just like on other models on our firmware. You can apply by hash rate or by power. The main feature of the new tune is its operation without restarts with a wide choice of profiles. The discount promotion is extended until the end of June, with a firmware commission of 1.8%. Using our miner tools, you can install our firmware without an SD card, and also update the firmware to the latest version with new features and reduced commission. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on our channel in upcoming videos. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, write to us on our Telegram technical support channel or in the comments below the video.